In question 4, it says Rahul has two bags, X and Y. X contains 4 red marbles. So we can write it down over here. X has 4 red marbles and 2 blue marbles. Y contains 3 red marbles. So Y contains 3 red marbles and 4 blue marbles. Rahul also has a coin which is biased so that the probability of obtaining a head is the probability of obtaining a head is 1 upon 4, which means the probability of obtaining a tail should be 3 upon 4, right? Rahul throws the coin. If he obtains a head, okay, so if he obtains a head, he chooses at random a marble from X. He notes the color and replaces the marble. It means the total number remains the same. Just one moment. Apologies. Okay. He then chooses a second marble from X. It means the total probability remains the same, right? Now, if he obtains a tail, he chooses a marble from Y. He notes the color, discards the marble. In this case, the total number will decrease, right? The total number will not remain as whatever the total number is 7. Apologies, my net disconnected. Okay. Okay. So we have to find the probability that the two marbles that Rahul chooses are the same color. Now, what does it mean by the same color? It could be the same color from X, it could be the same color from bag Y. Now, let's say if he gets a head, right? If he gets a head, he can get both red, and if he gets a head, he can also get both blue. If he gets a tail, he can again get 2 red marbles, and if he gets a tail, he can also get 2 blue marbles. So we have to find these probabilities individually. So first, in the first step, head, you get a head and then 2 red marbles. That is from X, and this is from bag Y. Okay. So we'll treat each of them individually. So let's talk about bag X. The probability of head is 1 upon 4 into the probability of a red marble is 4 upon 6. And then again, because he replaces it, the probability will remain as 4 upon 6, right? This, and if he gets ahead again, the probability of a blue marble is 2 upon 6 into 2 upon 6. Please start doing these calculations. Or if he gets a tail, so if he gets a tail, the probability is 3 upon 4, and the probability of 2 red marbles will be, so the probability of red marble is 3 out of 7. And because he discards it, so next time the probability of a red marble will become 2 upon 6. Or if he gets a tail, he can get 2 blue marbles in a row. So that will be 4 upon 6 multiplied by 3 upon. Okay, so that's wrong. This will be 4 upon 7. 4 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 6. So these are all the possibilities where he chooses 2 marbles of the same color. Please substitute this in your calculators. And once you substitute this in the calculators, the final answer should come out to be 29 upon 63. In decimals, we'll write it as 0.460. In part B, it says find the probability that 2 marbles that Rahul chooses are both from bag Y, given that both marbles are blue. Now it's a conditional probability question, right? So for conditional probability, it says find from bag Y, given that 2 marbles are both from bag Y, given that both are blue. So in this case, what we will do is in the denominator, we'll take the total probability of given that both marbles are blue. So first we'll go towards the probabilities of blue marbles. So this is the probability of the blue marbles. We'll write this in the denominator. Let me just first simplify this. So this will become 1 upon 36. multiplied by, this will become what? 3 1 times, 3 2 times, 3 1 times, 2 times. This will also cancel out with 4. So we'll have 1 upon 7. This or this is the total probability of getting blue marbles. And he chooses from bag Y. What was the probability? That was 1 upon 36, right? So this was from, okay, 1 upon 36 was from bag X, and this was from bag Y. So in the numerator, we'll have the probability of bag Y, which is 1 upon 7. And that is it. Can you please put this in your calculators? Tell me what your answers are. Is 1 upon 7 correct? I just need to check this out. Okay, I made one mistake over here, everyone. This should have been 3 upon 4. ठीक है, ये 3 upon 4 था, तो ये 4 4 कैंसिल होगा. 3 1 time, 3 2 times. So that should become 1 over 14. I hope. नहीं, 3 over. चेक कर लें पहले इसको. तो दिस इज 3 upon 4 into 4 upon 7 into 3 upon 6. So 4 4 cancels out. 3 1 times, 3 2 times. So I should be getting what? 3 upon 14. This should have been the probability. This is incorrect. We'll put 3 upon 14 over here. And then this 3 upon 14 will be in the numerator as well. All right. When you put this in your calculator, the final answer will become what? That will be 54 over 61. And that's it.